So, Jeff, you've written some books, and so let's just talk about one of those. So, there is this authenticity in sales. Just tell us more about it.
Sure. So, yeah, about 4 years ago, I wrote a book called Authentic Selling: How to Use the Principles of Sales in Everyday Life. And the premise of the book is that AI is going to really revolutionize and change the sales industry. At that time, it was believed that AI and automation would really come for blue collar jobs. So Andrew Yang, for example, was a presidential candidate at the time running for president, and he was talking a lot about how there would be self-driving vehicles and how the trucking industry was going to change and it was going to kill a lot of trucking jobs as a way of example. And a lot of people scoffed at the idea that automation could actually come for more white collar jobs and come for sales jobs and tech and things like that. And so when I wrote the book, there was a lot of skepticism about, whether I was exaggerating or things like that. And my belief was that in a world of AI, it was going to be more important than ever for humans to lean into what makes them human, which is their authenticity. And not only for the sake of keeping their job and kind of doing what you can that AI cannot do, but also just being cognizant of a new reality, and that when in a world of automation, the customer will have more access to information and the role of the seller will evolve. And so that was the premise of the book. I decided that I'd try to help people lean into this idea of an authentic persona. It's been proven that people are very attracted to others if they perceive that they are being an honest version of themselves. And I wanted to give tactical advice for how people could get ahead of that trend, not only in their sales career, but also in their personal lives.